This is my take on a meat pie.
Welcome back to my twin kitchen, living egg free. Today we're going to do a keto pie with a twist. We're going to put meatballs, cheese, and a sourdough lid. What you need is our meatball mix. If you don't know how to make it, watch the video on meatballs. Fresh basil, homemade or store-bought tomato sauce, our keto sourdough dough, rolled out thinly to around 2 to 3 millimeters thick, and pre-cut the dough to the shape of your baking dish. If you don't know how to make the dough, then watch one of our first videos on keto sourdough. And we also need some grated cheese. So, let's get cracking. First, let's add in our meatballs. We're going to add in 6, and I like to use an ice cream scoop. Now, this can feed 2 hungry boys, and don't worry if you have excess, because we can show you a really cool dish to do. Okay, now that's done. It's time to add in our sauce. Now it's time to add in our basil all over it. Now let's add in all of our cheese. Now my dad's going to put on the lid because I'm not very good at it. So now that the lid's on, now I'm going to press down the sides. I'm going to try to cut off the excess that's around the lid, and then I'm going to poke some holes into it to make sure that we don't have a massive explosion in the oven. And I'm gonna brush some milk over the top.
And how long do we bake it for?
35 minutes. Make sure to push down fairly hard so it stays. Now it's all brushed up real nice. We're going to put this into the oven at 210 degrees for 35 minutes. Look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. Now I'm going to do my favourite thing in the world. You've got to try this, seriously.